NPS just got blew up with multi-scheme framework. The new MSF era is here. More flexibility, more options and more growth in your portfolio. NPS MSF is not just a pension plan, it's a power plan. Let's decode it. The National Pension System multi-scheme framework brings a fresh wave of flexibility for non-government subscribers. It lets you invest in multiple scheme framework under NPS. Think of it as your personal toolkit to customize, diversify, and maximize your returns under one NPS. And here is the headline: MSF officially went live on October 1st, 2025, making a whole new era of investing. But now everyone is little puzzled with a bunch of questions popping up like: how does it actually work? Who it is really for? What makes a MSF a real game changer? What about the fee structure? Don't worry, my dear friends. We are breaking it down simple for you. Come to the first point. How does it actually work? Each pension fund manager now offers MSF scheme across three different levels of risk, that is low, moderate and high. You can even go up to 100% of equity exposure in high risk plans or even less equity exposure in low risk plans. Just remember one thing. Each scheme has a 15-year vesting period before switching. So yes, patience is literally. Now here is the second one. Who is it really for? Primarily for non-government subscribers, NGS including private sector employees and corporates, self-employed individuals, gig platform workers. All citizen models open to any Indian residents aged between 18 to 70. Let's have a quick snapshot that how MSF is a real game changer. Full control. From 100% of equity exposure to a balanced mix, you decide your risk levels. Customize investing. Build your investment portfolio the way you want. Transparent and low cost, that is, no hidden charges are there. Smart diversification, that is into equity related investments, corporate debt, government securities and alternative investments. So, it's flexibility, it's transparency and growth all rolled into one. That is new NPS MSF. Let's have a quick check on NPS versus NPS MSF. Now there are four aspects. Aspect number 1, equity limit up to 75% in NPS and up to 100% in NPS MSF. Aspect number 2, number of schemes. Single scheme as per subscriber in NPS, and there are multiple schemes available under one plan in NPS MSF. Aspect number 3, risk variance. In NPS, life cycle based, that is auto adjust by age. In NPS MSF, it is manual by choice, that is low, moderate, high. Aspect number 4, suitability. In NPS, beginners, conservative investors are involved. In NPS MSF, generally experienced, growth-oriented subscribers are there. Now NPS is not boring anymore. It's a smart technique of investing. Start your NPS MSF journey with Farsight from the link given below.